The Biden administration is urging the courts now to step in and suspend a new Texas law that bans most abortions.
Now, the administration's response is due today.
Seema Iyer, our chief legal counselor, is here with us in the studio this morning. Whew, this is a lot to break down, a sticky situation here,
Yeah,
Seema.
you make it sound like I am your legal counselor.
I mean, you're the closest thing we've got.
I don't even know.
I got your cell phone number. I'm just waiting for
So
something
do
to
I.
happen
Listen,
so I
you
can
and
call
Brian
you.
Blakely, it's just like incessant, the free legal advice I dole out to the two
Hey,
of
I
you.
got a
Thank you.
question.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so let's talk about what's going on in Texas
Yes.
and why this even matters.
Okay, well, this is such a restrictive law, and why it matters is because on the docket for the Supreme Court in December, we are going to have to decide whether Roe v. Wade is still the law of the land. So let's talk about why it's so restrictive. Number one, this amounts to basically a complete ban on abortions. Number two, it prohibits most abortions after only 6 weeks, and a lot of us, women realize this, that at 6 weeks, many women don't even know they're pregnant. And then finally, there are no exceptions to rape or incest, which is just shocking, right? The law, however, does make exceptions for medical emergencies. So this is just really, the whole country is looking at what is happening in Texas because we're wondering how is this going to affect the Supreme Court case. In addition, we also have this South Carolina heartbeat bill looming, which is basically saying no abortions when a heartbeat is detected. So you just keep looking at these pockets of the country where there's just restriction after restriction and wondering how is this going to affect the Supreme Court, guys.
Seema, back to the Texas bill, the enforcement aspect of it is pretty unique.
Oh, you are not going to believe this. Okay, let's talk about this. So patients cannot be sued, but those who help a patient can, including doctors, staff, and just get this, Uber drivers. An Uber driver could be sued. I guess Lyft, you're under the gun too, because if you tell your Uber driver where you're going, they can be sued. Now, this law also may reach beyond the Texas borders because citizens are given the right to enforce it. So even a citizen from another state can enforce this. There are few defenses available. You guys know, when you get in trouble, usually you have a defense like self-defense or I wasn't there, an alibi, but few defenses under this law are available. Successful plaintiffs will get $10,000 and their legal fees reimbursed. Lawyers are discouraged from challenging the law, and the bill even tries to dictate what judges can do. And guys, I just want to, again, I want to point out the deadline is for the Biden administration to respond. Why this is confusing a lot of people is that basically abortions are banned again because the justices said, wait a minute, it's an administrative stay. So when laws are decided, sometimes they're decided just on technicalities like administrative or on the substance. So they appeal. The substance of the law is yet to be decided, guys.
All right, so I'm curious in South Carolina, because we know Planned Parenthood leaders are suing South Carolina over the fetal heartbeat bill, but it's also going in front of the Court of Appeals come December. So how is all this related?
1,000 miles apart.
Yeah.
Well, it's all under the same umbrella of this country, right? Because, again, so it's the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Fourth Circuit. They're going to decide the South Carolina heartbeat bill, and I believe it's December 6th. December 1st, we are going to have the Supreme Court deciding that Mississippi case, but the Supreme Court decides what? The law of the land. And then, of course, we have this Texas bill that's also restrictive. So why does it matter is because this is all under this federal purview. And it also matters because the justices of the Supreme Court, let's say they want to abolish Roe v. Wade, right? This gives them reasons to, because they can look at their fellow justices, even though it's a lower court, they can look at them and say, look at what's happening in South Carolina, look at what's happening in Texas. And this just gives them more reason and more support in the court of public opinion. guys.
So, Seema, they'll hear Roe v. Wade December. Do we have any idea of what a timeline looks for some kind of answer? Or are we going to see this back and forth in the lower courts until something's finally decided in D.C.?
Okay, so D.C., if they hear the oral arguments on December 1st as scheduled, Supreme Court watchers smarter than myself think that the Supreme Court will wait till the end of the term, like June, to decide that. But in Texas, from what I've read, Texas wants the Supreme Court to decide that case before they decide the appeal. So I'm not sure if we are going to get an answer on the Texas appeal before June, if that helps with the timeline question.